Hey guys, what's up? As all of you know, Apple's most beloved Mac, the MacBook Air, just got better with a much needed better display, under the hood performance improvements, and a fresh new design. All these things, one more thing has been updated. The price. Starting at $1199, the new MacBook is the Apple's cheapest modern notebook, costing $100 less than the 12-inch MacBook. This really puts the Apple's line of MacBooks in a weird place. Both the laptops are designed for portability, but which one should you choose? The slightly larger MacBook Air or the ultra slim and ultra sleek 12-inch MacBook. This is your Tech Panda guys, and here is a complete comparison of these two devices with their important features. First up is design. Apple has completely redesigned the MacBook Air, making it both lighter and thinner. But despite being called MacBook Air is still not the thinnest or the lightest laptop from Apple. Here are the dimensions of both the laptops, and you can see the 12-inch MacBook is still the lightest and thinnest laptop from Apple. But according to me guys, the difference is really small, and the MacBook Air does have a larger display of 12.3 inches. This year Apple reduced the volume of the Air by 25%, so overall footprint of device has shrunk, making the difference even more smaller. This year Apple has finally given its users the much awaited Retina display. Apple has also made big old aluminum bezels 50% smaller and replaced them with a beautiful edge-to-edge glass. The new MacBook Air has a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, while the 12-inch MacBook comes with a weird resolution of 2304 by 1440p. As you can see, the resolution of the MacBook Air is just a little bit higher, but the quality of the images on both the devices will be the same because they have both the same PPI of 257 pixels per inch. Both the devices have exactly same brightness as well at 300 nits. But the sRGB colors on MacBook Air is a little bit better as compared to the 12-inch MacBook. There is no question that the more powerful components inside the MacBook Air gives it an edge over the 12-inch MacBook. The new MacBook Air comes with Intel's latest 8th generation CPUs, while the 12-inch MacBook still comes with a 7th generation M-Core processor, which can be upgraded to an i5 model by paying $100 more or an i7 model by paying $250. But I really don't think that the upgrade is worth your money. On the other side of things, all MacBook Air models come with a better 8th gen 1.6 GHz i5 CPU, and again that is for $100 less than the 12-inch MacBook. Both the laptops comes with an 8GB RAM memory, which can be upgraded to 16GB. One thing in which 12-inch MacBook has an advantage over the Air is the base storage, coming at 256 gigs as compared to the Air's 128 gigs. The MacBook Air also comes with better graphics of UHD 617 compared to the Intel HD 615 on the 12-inch MacBook. Another thing that is exclusive to the new MacBook Air is the new Touch ID and a T2 chip for better Hey Siri functionality, as well as the better data and security encryption. All these features are missing on the 12-inch MacBook. The new MacBook Air comes with the infamous butterfly keyboard mechanism, but the Apple says that the new 3rd generation design with the silicon under the keys will get rid of the unresponsive keys problem. But the 12-inch MacBook still uses the same old 2nd generation design and can have problems of sticky keys. The trackpad is also larger on the MacBook Air, and it now supports Force Touch similar to the 12-inch MacBook. The new MacBook Air comes with two Thunderbolt 3 type USB-C ports and is more capable than the single port MacBook with no Thunderbolt support. It means the new MacBook Air can support external GPUs or even 5K displays. All this functionality is missing on the 12-inch MacBook, despite it being more expensive. And one more thing guys, both of the laptops come with headphone jack. MacBook Air also comes with a full HD FaceTime camera, while the 12-inch MacBook only has a 480p camera. Another area in which the new MacBook Air knocks the 12-inch MacBook out of the park is the battery life. The new Air has a better battery life of 12 hours as compared to just 10 hours battery on the 12-inch MacBook. But both the laptops are now charged over USB-C, and the good old days of MagSafe are gone. Both the laptops come in silver, space gray and gold finishes from Apple. So the final thing is price, with the MacBook Air starting at $1199 while the 12-inch MacBook coming at $1299. The MacBook Air has better performance, better ports, better keyboard and security. The areas in which the 12-inch MacBook has advantage over the MacBook Air are very thin. I think the MacBook Air will be a safe bet for the most of the MacBook users. It provides better functionality, and that too at a price which is $100 less than the 12-inch MacBook. But what do you guys think? Should Apple just discontinue the 12-inch MacBook or keep selling it? If so, then why? Please let me know in the comments, and hit like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. This is your Tech Panda, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.